Hi everyone, welcome to the High Education Video Classroom, and today we will learn lesson 100. Okay, he says that. Savadasi yaxshimizlar. Mana bu videoda yazilib, biz eng dastlabda 101 darsdan boshlab olgandik, oxirini. Endi mana biz oldindan melib kelib birinchi qismniki, mana 100 dars kapdik asosan bizdan shu butun yىڭى ئۇقۇم ingliz tili birniki tugaylab qoldi. Yana bir necha o'tirdiki darslarimiz taraf. Amsa bugungi shu eng oxirgi 100 darsni bir ko'rsak. Xo'sh, amsa bugungi jumla shaklimiz yana o'xshashlarni demaysan. He says that, she says that, they say that. Endi bu asosli nima desanlar, biz oldingi darsimizda o'tdik, biqindi jumla. Okay, demakchi to'ldiruvchi biqindi jumla. Adı to'ldiruvchi biqindi jumlaligini emas, hamda shu bir jumla to'ldiruvchi rolni o'ynab kelyapti bu yerda. Masalan, men savollarga javob berib beringlar, men I'm tired debdi. Shunami? So what does he say? U nima dedi? U dediki, he says that he's tired. U dediki, qanaqda u erib ketibdi. He says that he's tired. And I'm ill. What does she say? No, what does she think? She thinks that she's ill. O qanaqda og'rib qoldim deb mana qilib o'ylabdi. She think that she's ill. I'm thirsty. What does he know? You know, he knows he's thirsty. And the margin yana birga hamda bu qaysi jumla bo'ldi desanlar, o'zlashtiruvchi jumla. Okay. Qistiruvchi jumla, o'zlashtiruvchi jumla bo'la oladi. Masalan, he knows, u biladi-ki, u qanaqa ketibdi, hisob ketibdi. And he says that he feels ill. Okay, and then she says that, and then she wants a haircut. Bizniki maresimdagi qarsanlar, bu shunday u deydi-ki, u og'rib qopti, u deydi-ki, nima, u chechini yasish kerak ekan. And they say that. Hamda mishariki egisi uchinchi shaxs ko'plik bo'lsa, asl shaklida they say that they are thirsty. And they say that what they have a headache. Uniki besh og'ribdi. Uni ikkinchi o'rsan, he says that he wants an X-ray. Okay, ma teksti bor, hamda u rentgenga tushishi lozim ekan. She says that she's cold. And he says that he has got a cold. And he says that he has an earache. He has got a cold. She's cold. And she has got a cold bilan cold o'xshamaydi. Birisi cold degan sifat to'ng'ab ketmaydi. A cold degan ham demaydi, zukamdab qolmoq. Zukamdamoq. Okay, she has found her pen. And the she says that she has found her pen. And the o'zlashtiruvchi jumlalarni that boshlab keldi-ku. Egisi birdek bo'lish kerak. And they must remain here. Okay, they say that they must remain here. He remembers you, and those eslab turdi, unutib qolmaydi. Buning uchun he says that he remembers you. Okay, and the uning yuzniki. Sizni eslab turganligini aytdi. She doesn't speak English. U ingliz so'zlamaydi ekan. Endi u deydi-ki, u ingliz so'zlamaydi hozirgina. She says that she doesn't speak English. Bu yerda nima desanlar, she kelgan gap. And they are washing the dishes. And they say that they are washing the dishes. They are washing the dishes. So what is the matter with him? Amsa men javob berib qo'yganlar bolalar. Maka endi feel tired deb turibdi. Uni nima bo'lib turdi desanlar? Okay. He says that he feels tired. Mushtonga o'xshash. U deydi-ki, u qanday erib ketibdi. So what do they want? And ular nimaga ehtiyojli ekan? Okay, they say that they need some money. Okay, they need some money. Yak, they want some money. So what does she want? Okay, and the only ehtiyojli ekan, what does she want? Okay, and she says that she wants what? A license. She wants a license. So what is the matter with her? Okay. She says that she is cold. O to'ngab ketibdi, shunami? So, what do they need? Okay, they say that they need a house. And what they can, they want a house. U bir uy qandakin lazım ken. Bo'ldi. Bugungi darsimiz mushagicha olsun. Bu oldingi darsdan birlashtirib yana bir qayta takrorlab o'tsanglar, unumi texim yaxshi bo'ldi. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.